In this tutorial, I'll be guiding you guys on how to get Kohls promo code. So let's get started. So first of all, you're gonna head over to your web browser and search up Kohls promo code. So right here, as you can see, and then click go. So once that is done, you're gonna go to this website Retail Me Not, and I'm gonna click on it. So once I'm on the website, you can see the logo of Kohls right there, and now you'll see many promo codes. So the first one is 15% off your purchase of over $100, so you can click on it. And then this is the promo code catch 15 off, so you can copy the code, you can click on this link, it's going to take you to the store, and you can use this code at checkout. Alright, so once you're done with that, you can close it, and then you can see many other offers as well. So for example, up to 85% off clearance. So now as you guys can see that this is a sale, so I'm gonna click on it. So it's gonna directly say me to go to the store, and as you guys can see, it redirects me to the store. So since this is an offer, you can directly go to the store and claim it. Now I'm gonna head over to some more other websites and show you a few more codes. So I'm gonna go back. Okay, now I'm gonna scroll down and go to this website, CNN coupons. Okay, so once I'm here, you can see this one, get 30% off home items using this coupon code, and it's gonna expire on 30th August. So I'm gonna click on it, and that's the code for getting 30% off on home items. You can copy this and use it at checkout. So alright guys, that'll be it for the video. I hope it helped you out, and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.